In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Mortal Kombat 11 with two players on PC and clear up some confusion around what's actually possible. Be sure to watch till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get into it. First off, can you play two-player Mortal Kombat 11 on PC? Yes, but with limitations. If you check the official Mortal Kombat 11 website or its Steam page, you'll notice something important. You cannot play with two keyboards. The game doesn't support two-player input using just keyboards. So, how can you play with a friend locally? Option 1 is one keyboard plus one controller. You can play two-player mode by using your keyboard as player 1 and plugging it in a controller for player 2. Option 2 is to use two controllers. Even better, if you have two game controllers, you can use both for a more console-like experience. Unfortunately, using two keyboards isn't supported. There is no official way to enable that setup in Mortal Kombat 11. This is by design, likely to avoid conflicts between overlapping key inputs. So, if you're trying to play with a friend on the same PC, make sure you have at least one controller available. Xbox or PlayStation style controllers work best and are plug and play with most PCs. That's it. I made this video to clarify some of the confusion around two-player mode on PC for Mortal Kombat 11. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching this video.